Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about Tesla stock. So Tesla stock for the first time ever closed above a $200 billion market cap. So the stock is currently trading at an all-time high. And let me get right into it. So before I get right into it, guys, please like this video because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. So an article posted on MarketWatch, it says Tesla stock ends at record-setting company's valuation above $200 billion. So on Tuesday, shares closed at a record of $1,079. This puts Tesla over the $200 billion market cap for the first time. So Tesla is slated to report second quarter deliveries, its proxy for sales in the coming days, with analysts polled by FactSet expecting sales of 72,000 vehicles, of which 61,000 would be Model 3s. So what do I think about Tesla stock? Do I think it's too late to buy it, and will it keep going up? Well, it was really tough for Q2, I think. Because of the factory closures and things like that, but apparently there was a leaked email with Elon Musk encouraging Tesla employees to work as hard as possible to deliver as many vehicles as possible to help them stay positive, because as we all know, if you guys aren't familiar, Tesla is pushing for inclusion in the S&P 500, which I think would be a massive boost for the stock, and it could really take off if it gets inclusion in the S&P 500. So you need to have around 4 quarters in a row of positive earnings, and Tesla's done it 3 quarters in a row. So if Tesla fails to make it this quarter, then they're going to have to basically wait a whole nother year. So I think this is a really key kind of news release that we're waiting for in the next couple of days to see the sales numbers, and this will do wonders for the stock. So I think obviously, I bought Tesla stock at around $500 or so. So obviously that was an ideal point to buy it around here. So perhaps you're wondering, is it too late to buy the stock? Well, it really depends on your time horizon. If you're thinking of like 2021, 2022, then I fully believe that Tesla stock will be moving towards $2,000 to $3,000 in the future. Inclusion in S&P 500 is a really big deal, and the future looks so bright. There's so many products coming out in the future. They're going to be launching their Cybertruck. They're going to be expanding the Model Y. They have even a diesel hybrid competitor, a diesel electric competitor that's similar to Nikola Motors. Heavy duty truck. They've got that planned in the works, perhaps in 2022 and 2023. So really, the sky's the limit, and I think Tesla is going to have kind of the same trajectory that Amazon did. When Amazon stock was around, maybe 500 or $1,000, a lot of people thought it was expensive, and now it's headed towards 3,000. So these companies, it's really hard to bet against these companies. Not only are they making a ton of money in terms of revenue, but they continue to innovate. So as long as Tesla continues to innovate and launch new products and increase their revenue, that is going to draw a lot more interest for investors. So, I mean, since the stock basically, this was a key resistance point around, I would say around $920, and since it broke through that, it looks like the stock is moving much higher. So there's a couple of ways you can play this. Obviously, for you long-term Tesla shareholders, I would say you can even add to your position here. The stock could be headed to around maybe 1,500 by the end of the year. So there's a lot of upside left in Tesla, I think. And we're just really waiting for those news releases to come. So I'm just going to wrap this video up, guys. I just wanted to give you guys an update that Tesla stock hit a record high and why exactly it did. So a lot of great things, I think, to expect. I'm setting my Tesla price target for the end of the year at about $1,500 for January 2021, and perhaps hitting my $3,000 price target I initially had for around 2025, but I'm going to probably bump that up to about 2022. So about 18 months, I would say, around 18 to 24 months, I think Tesla could be trading at around 3,000, which means that if you're a simple long-term holder, you can simply buy now and hold and do really well. But even in the short term, I think Tesla's an excellent play as well. So that's it for this video, guys. Just want to give you guys an update. I'm going to be making another Tesla video when those Q2 delivery numbers come out, because that could send the stock up even more. So it's just been a really awesome run, and for people out there that think Tesla stock is perhaps a bubble or overvalued or something like that, the stock is up 5,300% since its IPO. So really difficult to call a company that's up over 5,000% over the long run a bubble. So I think it's a really solid investment, and I think this new kind of level at $1,000. I think it's really going to change people's perception of the company. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that red subscribe button to get more videos on Tesla. So that's it. Until next time, guys. Take care.